Sunday the 16th of April and we are on the FTSE 100. So let's have a quick recap of this market from last week in relation to our Sunday analysis, and then we'll have a look at it for the trading week ahead. Okay, so last week everything was really about this sloping support and resistance line. We've gone over this for a couple of weeks now. It is a long-term sloping support and resistance. We've seen it tested as far back as June. Tested again in November and December, and the market has been reacting at these levels recently. Last week we were looking to continue looking for the weakness at this sloping resistance area. You can see the market, well, on the Monday it was a very quiet day first of all. Tuesday we broke up above, which then failed, and on Wednesday the market came down strongly. Thursday we had yet more bearish movement. So coming into next week, not too much has changed in our analysis. So we still have these key levels down below of support. We can see where the market has been testing these levels, coming down, and then the buyers have been stepping in, driving the market higher. This area remains key now. Whilst rejecting up at the sloping resistance, we can look at this market as negative, but we have to be aware that this this support and resistance area is currently holding, and I'm happy to look for bullish positions at these levels until we see the market begin to break through. Now, if we break through, it becomes a great area to look for support becoming resistance and potential sell positions. Now, these levels, they are down at the 7-70 area, and this is what we identified also as the market began to show weakness up at these levels. We're looking for the market to come down into the 7-70 area, and that's where we have seen the buyers stepping in a number of times. It is a key level on the FTSE 100. If we start to break below these levels, really you're looking at a move down at a minimum into the 7215 to 7200, the round number, at these levels right here. And more likely, a stronger move down into key levels of support down below, all the way down into this previous swing right here. So confirmation of this weakness continuing in the FTSE would be the breaks below the 7-70 area. This is really where we want to pay attention. If the market begins to break through these levels, it's confirming further weakness. Whilst above it, we can continue looking for those bullish positions. Now let's have a look up above. We have the levels from back in February, where the market has been testing, breaking above, coming down, testing, breaking above, coming down, and testing these levels. This is actually where we're sitting at currently. Now, down below this level, once again, happy to look for those sell positions, taking the market back down into that key area at 7-70. Next week, this area here and this area here really are key. If we are below this level and showing weakness, I'm happy to look for sell positions, and then it becomes about this level down below. I want to see if it starts to break. If it starts to break again, it's a great area to look for those sell positions on expectations of the FTSE 100 coming down on a stronger bearish move. If not, once again, it's really coming into the sloping support and resistance line. If the market begins to break back up once again, likely it's going to be coming up toward the all-time highs, these levels, and then up above. So we have the test here, which is where the FTSE failed on Tuesday and Wednesday. Up above, we have further key resistance at the all-time highs. These are really, this is the main areas I'm looking at on the market. And what I'm basically doing is looking for clues. So when we identify the sloping support and resistance, we're watching to see if the market began to break down below. Now, we broke down below on the 6th. The market then pressed back up to test these levels, and all we have done is fail up above, that sloping support and resistance, press back down. What it's doing is it's suggesting that the bears are potentially still in control of this market now. Breaks below here give slight confirmation. Breaks below here, stronger confirmation of a stronger move down on the FTSE 100. Okay, guys, that is everything for next week. As always, I hope that was helpful. I hope you all have a good Easter also. I'm James Orr, and thank you.